Hello ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to this introduction video. Today I'm going to introduce you to my newest and most ambitious project when it comes to automated trading. As you can see on the screen, I am going to review the 100 most expensive trading robots and the 100 cheapest trading robots. Then I'm gonna compare all of them and make all of the data publicly available to all of you guys. So let's get started. Right, so what is a trading robot really? A trading robot is just a very hyped up word. It's honestly just a computer program, just like any other piece of software, but it can just, you know, execute trades, execute stop loss modifications, trade, take profit orders, everything that's trading related for you, which is nice of course, but the thing is that trading robots have mostly been hidden from the general public. It's been something that only, the big hedge funds, the big banks had access to for a very long period of time until MQL5 and MetaTrader really came around with MetaTrader 4, where trading robots became accessible to the general public. But it's still a very unknown thing to most retail traders, and still very obscure and hard to get into if you're new to it. But hopefully this mission of mine will, make everything a little clearer to you, and also what type of things to avoid and whatnot. So let's take a look at the MQL5 community market here. You can see that you have all of these different expert advisors, as they're called, on the MetaTrader platform. An expert advisor is just a trading robot, really. It's basically just a way for the program of saying that this is a program that is allowed to give you advice, and then if you enable the option in the MetaTrader platform, this expert advisor can also execute trades for you, making it fully automated. And yeah, that's basically what we're going to be talking about. So the mission of this endeavor is to basically make a huge list of 200 trading robots at least. I plan on actually adding more than the 200 initial ones, based on community feedback and whatnot. So if you guys have some trading robots that you would like me to review that are not on the list, then we can do that as well. I would love to take suggestions and whatnot. But first of all, I'm going to start with the 200 that I've already picked out, and we're going to get into that in a second. So this list um, will be made publicly available to everybody through the Google Sheets document that I've linked to in the description. You can also see that I've already filled out the 200 trading robots that I am going to review. But as I just said, we can look into doing more than those 200 based on comments from you guys and whatnot. If you have any specific ones that are not on the list that you would like me to review. But okay, so let me just give me the premise of the list as it is right now. I filtered for all of the trading robots that had at least a rating of 3 stars on the MQL5 market. I did this to just filter out a lot of the programs that had not been purchased and had not been reviewed at all, because I want to have a good list, a very representable list. And to do that, I need the ones that are actually reputable, So I only want the best trading robots, and just filtering for a rating of 3 or higher will probably give me a better chance of having actually good trading robots. As you're gonna see, there's still gonna be a lot of really bad trading robots, but we're gonna get into that, you know. But this was the basic premise, just to make it a little easier for me to compile this list, as there is over 3,900 trading robots on the MQL5 market right now. So yeah, as you can see on the list, there is going to be 3 tabs at the bottom. There's going to be 1 tab for the most expensive, 1 tab for the 100 cheapest ones, and 1 tab for all the trading robots that have been reviewed by me so far. In the list, you can see there is a total of 30 informational columns, with 7 of them being for my personal reviews. And I'm going to do all of these personal reviews here on my YouTube channel and post all of them, so you can, you know, just see how my review process of any trading robot is, which will hopefully teach you what to look for before buying any trading robot off the MQL5 market. So yeah, this will also give you a very easy way of filtering for any specific type of trading robot that you want on the list. So if you want a trading robot with like a high win rate, for example, you can just go to the win rate column and filter for that, or sort by that. Or if you just want the highest performing one based on performance over the last 2 years, you can just go and sort for that. Or if you want uh, a grid trading strategy, you can go and sort for that. So all of these informational columns will just make it a lot easier for you to get the type of trading robots that you're looking for. And I hope that this will provide a lot of value for you guys. So why should you listen to me and my reviews? Well, first of all, you probably should not listen to anybody when it comes to trading advice. I strongly recommend that you always do your own research. No matter what I say, you should definitely still test any trading robot before buying it. So because like I'm going to test these strategies on a couple of different brokers, but the results can easily vary depending on your broker, and yeah. So please always do your own research when it comes to anything trading related. There's so much misinformation when it comes to trading and whatnot, and don't take my word or anybody else's word for anything. Just always try to be as objective as possible. Try to do as much research as you can yourself, and you can take my information here and just use it as basic information, and then go from there and then do your own research. I think that is probably the best way of doing it. But yeah, who am I? I'm currently 28 years old, living in Denmark. I've been trading and investing for 10 years. So since I was 18, which is the legal age of investing here, I've been doing this in my whole adult life. I've been day trading for 8 years. So the first 2 years was mostly just a little bit of investing and a little bit of swing trading, and then I got into day trading, and then it was just wraps from there. I mean, I've been day trading, yeah, since I was 20 years old. I've been a professional trader for the last 2 years. I quit my full-time job in finance 2 years ago and became a full-time trader. So that's what I do for a living now. I trade mostly stock indices through CFDs on MetaTrader and also other manual trading platforms. I got into automated trading this year, so this is a newer endeavor of mine. Until then, I was solely using manual trading, point and click and all that good stuff. Yeah, and then I also started programming like 5 months ago. I started to teach myself programming in the MQL5 programming language, which is the programming language used for the MetaTrader platform, and which is also the language that is used to program all of the trading robots that we're going to be talking about throughout these videos. And I actually published 2 fully automated trading robots on the MQL5 market as well this year, only a couple months ago, which had pretty decent success. I based these trading robots off of strategies that I already used to trade manually. So this was just a test for me to see if I could automate some of my manual strategies, and I think it went pretty well. I mean, have been looking through quite a lot of trading robots already. Obviously, I'm going to be looking through a lot more when I'm doing this list, but so far, I think my trading robots are doing quite well compared to a lot of the other trading robots. But hey, don't take my word for it. We are gonna see soon enough when I start comparing it to these 200 trading robots. Then we can really see if my own trading robots is any good at all. But yeah, I do have a link to my trading robots in the description, and I will have links to my own trading robots in all of the descriptions going forward, as well as links to the trading robot that I am reviewing in each video, just to make it fair, you know. And if you do find any of the trading robots particularly interesting, then there will be a link to all of them in the description as well. So why am I doing this? Well, first of all, I'm just doing it to help people, you know, give everybody a fair chance of getting into automated trading. I think automated trading is really cool. And I've been very interested in it this year. It's absolutely been the thing that I've been most interested in this year. So yeah, I think that I just want to simplify things, give a better overview for people to get into automated trading, and really like let everybody know how simple it can be, or at least give people a good understanding of what automated trading can and cannot do for you. I also just want to make the whole process of finding the right trading robot and buying it and setting it up, and you know, I want to just make this whole process easier for people to understand. And I really want to expose a lot of the awful trading robots on the MQL5 market, because there are so much garbage on there. There's so many scammers and just trashy strategies, you know, people that are just straight up trying to take your money, you know. So I really want to expose a lot of these frauds out there. We're probably gonna get more into that when we start seeing some of the results of these trading robots. Um, but yeah, that was a big one for me. And and honestly, I mean, I have no idea how many people are actually gonna be watching these videos, as I'm not really a content creator or YouTube or anything like that. So this is just as much for me than for you guys. I'm actually really just interested in trying to find good trading robots, and like trying to see what other programmers have done with their trading robots, you know, to get some more exploration into this field of automated trading, and also just gain more inspiration from this whole process, to inspire me to do like different types of strategies. You know, I'm always interested in finding new ways to trade. So I think that this will hopefully give me a lot of insight into what's possible in the trading world. And yeah, I'm pretty excited to get started on this journey. So I hope that you're gonna join me. And yeah, please guys, like and subscribe if you are enjoying this experiment of mine. And let's get into the list, I guess. I will be starting with the most expensive trading robot and the cheapest one in today's video. I really hope to post 2 videos a day. I have no idea if this is doable, but I hope it is, because otherwise this list is gonna take very long for me to do. But I hope to do one expensive trading robot review and one cheap trading robot review every day until we get to the 100 mark. Um, but I don't really know if it's gonna be doable, but hopefully it is. And yeah, I will see you in the coming videos, guys. Take care and bye bye.